Hi everyone, it's me, Sarah B. I'm opening up today my 15th, I think, I'm pretty sure, box from StitchFix. I should really look that up before I start videos. Have not yet learned. It's a very snowy day here in Pennsylvania where I am, so what better time to snuggle up and do some shopping from home. I have a referral code in the description for this video that will get you $50 towards your first StitchFix box. Amazing! So if you have any interest whatsoever in trying out StitchFix for yourself, can't go wrong. StitchFix is a style subscription service. You can kind of do it as you want, every 2 to 3 weeks, every other month, like when you request it. It's very flexible. And I've gotten great pieces, and continuing to get great pieces, actually. So, frequent viewers would know that my luck with StitchFix tends to come in threes. Not always, but often. So, because this is the 15th box, I'm expecting something amazing, but we'll see. My back to return things I don't want, my note to my stylist, and my invoice. Oh my gosh.
And there's the bundle.
Oh yay, guys, remember when I was like so nervous about patterns and now I'm seeking them out? I'm pretty excited. Yay! They send you 5 pieces to try on. You have 3 days to look at everything and send back whatever you don't want. Oh my gosh. Look at that blouse! It's like, can you see? Let me see if you can see. It's like a blue-green. It's more like on the greener side of blue, I would say. It is an Alice Blue Embreeze pleat front detail blouse. It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. And it's a StitchFix exclusive. Very nice. Second piece is jersey. Oh no. Oh, yes. It's a jersey dress. Oh, yay. It's so soft. And it's from Mix by 41 Hawthorne, one of my favorite brands. This is called the Daniela back detail knit dress. So I don't know if that's the back detail. I'll have to remember to turn around when I'm wearing it so you can see. Very nice. Very simple, but like it's a dark blue. So I could add a scarf or something. Sure, why not? You guys! Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Okay, I don't necessarily love that there's like crochet detail all down the side, but let's try it on. Daniel Rain, which is another brand that I get quite a lot of from StitchFix and other boxes, actually, that cater to people my size. Mini crochet trim cotton blend knit top. I do love the print on it, like the flowers and the colors there. I'm just not sure about that, because that's a place for things to snag, and I'm known for snagging things. Do you hear my daughter desperately trying to get into the room? She's fine, by the way, guys. It's okay. She's fine. The shirt. It's a blazer. Oh my gosh. I've been trying a bunch of different blazers because I feel like I should have one in my closet. I don't have any. Skies Are Blue is the company. Amanda, A-M-A-N-D-E, collarless blazer. Ooh. Maybe that would work out better for me. It's really, again, it's like jersey. It's very soft. It's, I find blazers to be very, like, stodgy and, like, unforgiving. This is not. And the last item is a pair of jeans from Liverpool. Denise bootcut jeans in dark gray. I was not shopping for jeans necessarily, but I guess I'm always shopping for jeans, so let's try it on and find out. Yay! Outfit number 1. The jeans are okay. I don't love the way they fit around my hips, and that might be because I need to change my sizes on StitchFix's website. It's an exciting and wonderful Christmas. Anyway, so I don't necessarily love how they fit here, but overall they're like super comfy. I don't know if I love the color. It's like a very, I don't know. It's not something I would immediately gravitate towards, but that's part of the joy of using StitchFix is like getting something that you wouldn't normally get and trying it out. So I think if they fit a little better, I would be a shoo-in, like way more tempted. The shirt fits beautifully across the bust, which I can't always say, as we know, but is not, like, it's just like a smidge too short and a smidge too tight again around the hips. So I think it's just me and a holiday eating. But, yeah, we'll see. I love the color, and, like, the pattern is fun, but I'm a little bummed that it doesn't fit, like, a little bit more comfy there. The reverse is that the blazer is amazingly comfortable and has, like, so much wonderful give to it. I really, really love it. And I've never, ever said that about a blazer before in my life. Yeah, I'm just, I'm thinking of like opportunities to wear it in like professional settings. So yes, total win for the blazer. I finally am going to have a blazer that I can wear with things. Hooray! Yay! Okay, 2 more pieces to try on. I'll be right back. And this is the Daniel Rain crochet detail top, which is wonderfully comfortable as well. And I like perfect length in the arms, perfect length in the body. I'm just not completely sold on the crochet detail. At first it was like the convenience thing about like bra straps and stuff, but I don't think it's even that because they, like you wear a neutral color bra and it's fine. But, just like the snagging issue, because you get something snagged on this and you're donezo. I wouldn't know how to repair it. And it's ironic because I am a crocheter, so I like love having hands, although this is probably not hand, but having those types of details on clothes is very attractive to me, but alas, I don't know if it's for me. But yes, great fit, really stretchy, comfy, good fit in the back, good arm length. I just have to think about that the pros outweigh the cons, or rather, not even cons so much as like my own anxiety and concerns. And this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne dress with the detail in the back, which you're not going to be able to see anyway because the angle of my camera. It's really comfy. It's fine. It's an okay. It's like I wouldn't want to go any shorter than this as far as length. Super soft and comfy. Very simple, but I kind of dig having just like a simple, comfy dress that I can throw on, add a scarf or something and still look like really professional to go to work. Yeah, I feel like I could live in this and dress it up very easily. So that's a win, right? Very excited. So I think my 15th box has turned out to be awesome. Let's see how much everything costs and go from there. So now let's take a look at the note from my stylist. It's not Meredith. Your style delivered. Hello, Sarah. Welcome to your new year and to your 15th fix. I was right. My name is Heather and I'm excited to style to you today. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. I reviewed your style profile and looked over your previous fixes and feedback to get a better idea of your fit and style preferences. I included a variety of items for you in this fix. Mixed by 41 Hawthorne blue back detailed knit dress. How do you like the fit of the dress? Awesome. I also included a pair of dark gray bootcut jeans from the brand Liverpool. Try wearing the jeans with the dark green crochet trim knit top from Daniel Rain for a great casual Friday work option. The navy skies are blue blazer layered with the Alice blue pleat top. Make the light blue color pop. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Best, Heather S. Thank you, Heather. Overall, a great box. Now it's time to see how much everything costs and see how it fits in my budget and make some decisions. Oh man. Okay. The Mixed by 41 Hawthorne back detailed dress in blue. It's $44. That's a great price. I mean, it is just a knit dress, but I feel like that's a really awesome price for this. And I love it, and it's going to become part of my wardrobe. Absolutely. Skies are blue. Amanda collarless blazer. Where are you? $68. I've never purchased a blazer before. But I am assuming that's a good price. Sounds like a fair price for a nice blazer. Considering it's going to be my first blazer and like something I will actually wear and actually fits me nicely and that I love. Yeah, totally. Getting all splurgy already. My 15th box. Threes. I'm telling you, it's all by threes for me. The Liverpool Denise bootcut jean, $78. I don't love the color. And I don't really love the fit. I've become a kind of a snob for the Cut from the Cloth brand, which I've gotten several pairs of pants from, not just jeans, but also pants. Excuse me, there's a hair in my eye, and have really loved. So I think I'm going to stay a little bit snobby for them and send these back. So the box is not a total win. But that's okay. Moving on. The Daniel Rain mini crochet trim cotton blouse is $64, which I feel is about right for a Daniel Rain blouse. I think it's a little bit too much for something that I can envision getting damaged very quickly. I don't want to spend that much on something that is going to immediately need repair, and which I will put in a pile of things to be repaired and then have it not get repaired. So I'm thinking I'm going to pass on that for that price. Although if it didn't, and that's the funny thing, if it didn't have the crochet part, I would probably be all about it because it's beautiful and it's print and it's color and it's what I'm looking for. Speaking of print and color, the Alice Blue Ambreeze pleat front detail blouse, $42. I think that's a solid price for a work blouse. I love it. I really do love it. It's a little snug. It's probably too much to pay for something that doesn't fit me perfectly in the hips, but it fits me perfectly in the bust. And that's really what's most important, isn't it? I think so. So overall, like a total win. So if you were to buy everything, it would be $296 minus a $74 25% discount for the buy everything, which makes the grand total for the box $222, which, considering what's in it, I think is a really, really good price. Unfortunately, I'm not buying the whole box. I am definitely buying 3 very blue things, though. So let's expand some color next time. But for now, I'm super, super happy with this and really excited. Thank you, as always, for joining me. It's always a joy to put these out and to see your responses. So thank you for joining me on this fun little adventure. Till next time, be well. Bye.